In this video, I'll be taking you through the quickest preparation of your breakfast and save $10 a day, $50 a week, $200 a month, and now you can shift that money towards your credit card debt and any other personal loan that you do have. That way, you will be reducing the entire debt baggage that you do have. But first, let's look at the ingredients that we do have here and everything I'm going to use in this video. Straight to the apparatus that I'm using to start with the vegetable olive oil right here that I do prefer. It does not mess up my stomach for the morning because you don't want your stomach to make those radicals as you go through your morning to the lunch time. Then we have the veggie chopper right here that you can scan on the QR code right on your screen and you go straight to my storefront and get it. Then this just to beat your eggs real quick, then a bowl to use that. And of course, the things that make it happen for this breakfast are 2 eggs. You know what eggs do. They sit right straight in your stomach. And now when you add onto this authentic butter bread is what I like because it has a lot of wheat. So it can take me straight to about 1 p.m. or 12:30 p.m. without feeling hungry. So you can choose whatever bread that you want to use. You need a spatula just to change that egg right there so that it does not break. Then use a very nice frying pan. Mine is small, but of course I'm still buying more of these things so that I make these videos even better. You need an onion, and I'm going to use the veggie chopper to chop this onion, but you don't have to chop the entire onion for yourself. Then you have the spring onion still. I use this just for the finish up. And now a very sharp knife for you to make your work faster, but please do it safely. Then the chopping board just to make your work artistic. And then what else have I left out? Everything apart from cooking. Are you ready for the quickest breakfast in the land to save your $10 a day? Right, let's get down to the cooker. Firstly, we want to chop this onion real quick, just into half like that. Then take off this outer layer right there. Then you want to chop that hard part. I don't need a lot of onion for these 2 eggs. It's just for the taste, right? So what I'm going to do is I'll just put right on my veggie chopper, as you can see right there. Then press it down like that. Then this is what I'm gonna have. Diced onions. If I want, I can still put them back on onto the veggie chopper and press down forward. So I'm gonna just use a few and I put right in my bowl like that because they only have 2 eggs. You know, we're just having breakfast. So I'm gonna keep these. As you can see, it's a very good storage. I'm gonna keep this for the next preparation of my food so that I don't waste these onions right here. So I'm gonna put this aside real quick. Then I'm gonna get my eggs. Just do that. That's 1 egg so far. Put that away. Quickest breakfast. You know, you don't need to spend your $10. Then one thing I didn't introduce you to was the salt. Salt, I don't do a lot of salt, so I'm just gonna use a pinch of salt like that. That's enough for me. You can put whatever you want that you prefer, right? Put that aside. Then look, this is how our eggs look. Make sure your eggs are yellow. These are the healthy ones. Then now, hit the eggs real good. Just imagine this is what they do out there in those restaurants that they take you $10, $15 just for breakfast, you know? But these things you can do yourself at home. Remember, we are fighting debts. We don't want to be spending a lot of money and taking money out of our pockets. You see that? So this is how the eggs look like. That's how they look like. Boom. And now, what do we do next? We are heading to the cooking just like we are about to see. Now, put the eggs aside, put the trash away like that. Then now, you want to get your spring onions ready. Cut off the end. You don't need a lot of those. Just that. Just for the outer look for the breakfast. You want to turn them around. You can do it the way you prefer. And now you can leave them out on the board. For now, we want to get our bread closer. Then we are going to start heating up our cooker and the frying pan. So, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, as you can see, my cooker is hot and ready to fire. Yes, make sure you always heat up that frying pan a little bit. You know, my frying pan is not the best material, but I'm still searching for the best material, the frying pan. The non-sticky frying pan is what I'm looking for. But hey, the budget is still on the low. But when you click subscribe, share this video, increase the algorithm of this YouTube channel, it means I'm gonna get money and then buy the instruments of power. Now, excuse me, as you can see, there's some smoke coming out. See that? So you want to get your olive oil. Don't put a lot, spread a little right there. You see that smoke? Then now reduce the heat to allow that oil to come down. Don't run away. Don't run away. That smoke is not scary, right? So I know that's what makes people, not to cook. As long as they see the smoke, they just run away. You're not gonna burn. You gotta save money, you gotta learn these things. Now get your eggs and pour on right there. See that? So very fast, try to get your spatula, spread that egg around, spread it around, make sure it does not stick. Yes. Now, you want to get your bread. Place it right there. Make sure it soaks some eggs like that. And on the other one, you now do that again. You see that? Then you want to chop in the middle using your spatula. See that? And now change. Reduce the heat to low. You see that? Now get your spring onions, spread them all over. Boom, 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 boom. That's on that side. Press them down. Turn it around like that. Oh man. And boom. Then turn it around like that. Make sure it's on low. You see, it was trying to burn right there. Then now I like to cut off the ends. Boom, boom. And there you go. You got your breakfast egg right there. Get your nice plates. Place it on. How does it look on the other end? Look at that. See that? And now you're good for the day with some nice eggs and bread for your breakfast. Yeah, right. Now, the moment of truth is here. I got myself a cup of tea right here, and now I want to test what I've prepared. Look at this. Never worry about the presentation of your food, because the goal is to cook something, eat something, and save something. If I'd gone to the drive-thru, I would have spent about $12 to $15 on breakfast, but I'm doing it right at home. Let's test. If you watched till the end of this video, you're one of the chosen few that are willing to put more money in their pockets, that are willing to cook something, learn something, eat something, and save something. Don't you forget to click subscribe, share this video with a friend, and get to try out this recipe. Dennomatic TV, I'm out. Catch you in the next one.